Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael, and I'm out here with my corn today. See, I got to do some corn picking. And, well, as you can see right here, this is the silks. And you can see they're dead. Yep. And you can actually feel the corn. And if it's nice and plump, it's ready to pick. So when I pick this, I'm going to grab a hold of the stalk right here, right above it. And I'm going to take and pull down and twist all at the same time, just like that. Now, I'm going to check a few of these ears to see how they do. And this one should be really good. Look at that, guys. Look how pretty that is. Can't beat that one none, hardly. Now, guys, again, I did not plant a whole bunch of corn. This is literally all the corn I got this year. And, well, not all of it's going to turn out good. So you can take the corn and put your hand around it like this, and you can feel if those kernels are all full or not. And you can feel dead spots in it and everything. And I've seen a bunch of bugs on these. This one feels like one. Yeah, this is a bad one. So, right here, I feel a dead spot. Now, this ear right here, you can see a bunch of dead spots. Now, down towards the bottom, I can save it. So we can cut off this part up here and be perfectly fine and freeze the rest of it. And that's if we decide to do that. But guys, if you're not going to do anything with the corn right away, it's best to leave it in its shucks. I know you'll go to the grocery stores and stuff like that and see the corn in its shucks like this. That's because it keeps better. So if you're picking corn and you're not going to use it right away, go ahead and keep it in its shucks. So, guys, I'm going to do something I've been missing for a little while. Yeah, super frog mode. Yeah, super frog mode, yay. So we're going to go ahead and pick this corn in super frog mode and get to hopping, y'all. Yeah, we got about a half a bushel out of those corn right there. That's not too bad for just this little bit of corn. And again, we'll eat all this pretty much fresh. But guys, I wanted to show you this. Normal ear corn, mega ear corn. I have never seen this before, guys. It almost feels like there's two ears in one pod, or shuck, husk. So I got to open this and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. Huh. This is weird, guys. I've never seen this. There's 3 ears of corn in this. Look at this. 3 ears of corn in one husk. Let's see if I can pull that one. Look at that. Now this is a style heirloom corn. And, well, I guess it was showing me what it can do. I've never seen this before in my life. But guys, I always expect the unexpected when it comes to your plants. And, well, this was definitely unexpected. 3 ears of corn, wow. I'm gonna put this husk back to protect it right now. And we ain't done yet. See, y'all know my corn is intertwined with my peppers, and we're gonna go through here and actually cut these stalks down. Now, I could pull them up, but because they're in amongst my peppers, I don't wanna risk the, well, I don't wanna risk the root system of the peppers. So I'm going to actually take my pruners and cut them at the base, or right there at ground level, and set them off to the side to be taken off. But, yep, I got a few ears of corn to get done. So we're going to jump back into super frog mode. And we are back from super frog mode, y'all. And as y'all can see, we got the corn out of the peppers. Some of y'all, I bet, didn't even believe there's peppers in there. Yep, there was. So I have touchdown green bell peppers here, and I have my mini bell peppers here. And well, even though, and I'm actually really shocked by this, they did so well, the corn did, with the peppers, I did notice that my mini bell peppers are suffering from a lack of pollination. And I think it's simply because there's so much crowded right there. But on the other hand, something I've learned, peppers grow well with corn. I did not realize that was going to happen. See, I was just experimenting. Well, hey, you know, if I had any tip to give you, that is one of my best tips I can give you. Don't be scared to try something, y'all. Just because somebody said somewhere that it won't work, doesn't mean it won't work for you. Everything depends on type of soil, and it depends on environment. So what will work up north won't work down south. What works down south won't work in the Midwest. Not all the time. But here's the thing. What might work up north might actually work down south, and vice versa. So I'm always willing to try something. And I've never heard of anybody mixing corn and peppers together, but shoot, I figured I'd give it a try. Like I said, this was actually an experiment for me because I am so condensed in what I'm growing this year. And well, as you can see, corn grows well with peppers. So tip, never be afraid to try something. And well, guys, we come to the end of the video, and I appreciate y'all joining me. Now, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. All my subscribers, I sure do appreciate y'all. Appreciate you supporting my channel. This has been Michael with Frogfoot Holler, giving you a big old corny salute.